I'll guide you through how to contact Spotify customer service for help without searching endlessly for a phone number or getting stuck in a loop with the automated bot. If you're looking to resolve an issue with your account, a payment problem, or want to get help with a technical glitch, and you want to contact Spotify customer service for help, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps to connect with a real person. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. First, open your web browser on a phone or computer and go to the Spotify support page at support.spotify.com and log into your account. Unlike many services, Spotify doesn't have a direct phone number for support, so the website is the best place to start. From the main support page, search for your specific problem. The support system is designed to provide immediate answers, so you may find a solution without needing to contact a person. This page can help you with answers to common problems like payment and billing issues, managing your premium plan, app and device troubleshooting, and many more. If you still can't find the solution, scroll to the very bottom of the help page and tap on Contact Spotify. On the Contact page, scroll to the Send Us a Message section and click Message Us. On the next page, click the Start Messaging button. This will open a chat with a support bot. Describe your issue to the bot using natural language. The support bot will first try to solve the problem with automated responses. If its answers are not helpful and you still need assistance, it will eventually offer you the option to connect with a live agent. This is the most direct way to get help for your specific issue. Now that you've learned how to contact Spotify customer service for help, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more YouTube video tutorials. Thanks for watching.